Okay, so we got the liquids done. Now rocket silos or the other parts we need for all the good stuff. Or we can build the spaceship. Let's try and build it. So we are gonna go with what? Let's see, we have enough space. Yes, we can remove some of this stuff. So our end goal would be... Okay, let's see what else can we research here. Let's go with mining productivity. Well, plastic would be nice actually. 17k. It's a lot. This is 25. Maybe some 38. Okay, let's go with mining. All the way. Let's go, let's round it to level 20. Okay, so we are supposed to... Well, my plan is actually to make this like a space station that will stay on top of Fulgora and will collect asteroids and send down iron ore, copper ore, or we can make it into iron plates and copper plates somehow with foundries. So we'll have to have the first line, something like this, but it's gonna require some guns. So let's go with that. I'm gonna place I guess let's go with 3 of them, yeah? And just to don't see the sign, let's put some solar panels. Where is it? Guess I'm gonna go with a separate belt for ammo delivery. And now we have to feed some kind of asteroid collection stuff. So it's gonna be you. So we're gonna make it this wide. And this amount of turrets, maybe it's gonna be enough to destroy everything we're gonna receive on Fulgora. So let's try and do it this way. For now it's gonna be this square. Of course it's gonna be a little bit like longer downside. Or maybe upside, we'll see. I will have to collect some stuff from these guys. And we'll have to run the belts like this, for example, for the ammo stuff. We'll place them to the side. Let's go a little bit lower. Yeah, this way. This should work. Let's get one more over here. So we'll go this way. I hope this should be enough. I guess I should take them a little bit higher. Or leave it like this. I don't know how I'm gonna use this space. I'll think of something. Now we need the crashers. So we got how many recipes? Got 9 recipes. But we are gonna use this recipe, and this recipe. This one will give us carbon, okay, and we'll have to, where is the chemical plant? To make coal. Once we have coal, we send it down to our planet so we can make plastic. Can we make plastic over here actually? Don't think so. We need heavy oil and stuff like that, but we don't have here, I guess. So you're gonna consume 2.5 carbon. One asteroid chunk might not be enough, yeah. What about our Fulgora stuff? Well, it's actually not gonna show us, yeah. I guess we get somehow an equal amount of asteroid chunks over there. At least I hope so. Maybe I should not do it like this. Well, I could take the plastic from the lines. But it's not gonna be a lot. I could make like 2 or 3 of these kind of stations, so that's gonna be like more or less a stable influx of materials. This is, well, at least for now it looks like a better solution. Maybe it's not the best one, because over here we get our plastic. Yeah, we destroyed already like 4,000 plastic, so we should actually take it from over here now. And at some point build the actual ship, but Plastic, copper plates and iron plates. I need all of them. Iron plates, I guess it's easy. It should go out from these lines. The problem is that the plastic from these lines is gonna come from the same stuff we're gonna use like for rocket parts. From low density structure or from our red circuits. Red circuits are gonna be like consumed, I guess, into making like quality products. We'll have to like start making quality models, and gonna consume a lot of red circuits if I'm not wrong. Let's see the recipe. Yeah, we need red circuits and blue circuits and green circuits. So we need like a separate production of plastic and that's all. Yeah, I need the copper plates. Where do we get the copper plates from? From this stuff, from the like copper wire. We don't like we're not gonna take it somewhere else. Actually, let me set up quality stuff right now. So I'm gonna use bots to make it happen for a while I think with my ship, and this is gonna be done. So we're gonna make quality models. First tier and second tier. Oh, we need to research this one. Well, I'm gonna research it at some point. We can start crafting these guys and we can like recycle them and make a higher quality, yeah? Let's start with that. All of this is gonna be like all of these chests can be filled, and then we're gonna set up for recycling for like higher quality. Maybe at that point I will start researching something. We'll see. Now we're just gonna use our like red circuits, blue circuits and green circuits to make this stuff happen. And we have not quite so many logistic bots, but it's gonna stop at some point. Okay, so let's go back. I would actually would like to see what are we gonna do for fuel. Well, why not? Actually not gonna move the spaceship around. Or maybe we're gonna move it. I'm gonna make... If we move it, I think we'll increase our chances of getting enough materials. So it's a good idea to have this all the time. I guess I could build this part first. The rocket part with thrusters and stuff. And then like build the middle part where we actually get, I don't know, iron plates and copper plates. I think I should make them over here with foundries. Problem may be I may not have enough power to do it, but we'll see. So let's take our... I'm gonna go with 5. So if I supply here the blue one, it's gonna go to this side, but it's not gonna go to this side. Okay. What about my this one? Okay, we did it with pipes, so no way around it, yeah? I was thinking maybe I could use this spaceship for my purposes, but I have to like take out some conditions over here. What do I have on my belts? Can I see it? Where is it? So we've got iron ore, we've got carbon, we've got even some coal, we've got sulfur, okay, but I don't see copper ore. Because we don't need copper ore for a spaceship to move. And if I put an inserter here to grab only the ore and insert it inside here and then drop it down, maybe it's gonna work actually. That's right. So you are gonna go to Fulgora. Let's see. I'm gonna put a filter for iron ore, coal, sulfur, maybe instead of iron ore I'm gonna get iron plates. No, this is not the way to do it. I have to build my own spaceship. So it's enough just to have one of each to make the stuff work. Only stuff is that I have to connect some pipes over here. So let's see. It's gonna be this way. Or it's gonna be something else. Something else, like we can go leave some space between them and maybe even make them in a single line. No, single line is not gonna work because they are gonna align and we'll have problem connecting the pipes. So this way may be okay, I guess. Now let's put some storages on the side. I'm gonna connect you here. I'm gonna connect you over here. And now I have to put an input of like iron ore and calcite. Let's say it's gonna be from this belt. And now I have to connect the water. I'm gonna put it this way. It's not gonna align. The best placement is over here, but I will get a lot of wasted space. Or I can put it over here actually. I have to move around these guys. Some reason I want to put it here, but it actually doesn't matter that much. I'll even make two of them. I can make it this way, or now, will it work? If I put a filter for ice, get the ice over here. I have to put another guy here, I guess. And set the... No, I guess it's not gonna work this way. If this backs up and some ice comes over here, I have to send it some other direction. The way I did it over here with these belts. Where is it? So I send everything down to next splitter, which should be deciding where to send the extra materials. Yeah, I guess I have to put a splitter over here and then send it back. And it's not win me anything besides having a little bit of ice always available to make water. For now I'm gonna leave it this way. So for now this is actually I would like to put a storage for water. Guess I can connect it over here. For now it's gonna be this way. Now I would like all this to be moved somewhere around here. I'm gonna finish my middle part build and we'll see if we can raise this part a little bit higher. I don't think it's gonna be this big. It should be a little bit smaller. Okay, so next one should be collecting stuff from these guys. This is the ammunition belt.